Nikki, as a business owner, when I'm looking at my accounting software, why would I need to upgrade that if the system I've got already is kind of working okay?
Okay, there's four main things that you want to be looking out for, Kirsty. So the first thing is quite simple to spot. You might see that the system is starting to get slow. Now, sometimes that can just be because of your infrastructure. So perhaps you need to be on different servers or something like that, need better bandwidth. However, sometimes it is because there's simply just too many volumes. Sometimes it's just simply because the transaction volume is too high for that software. So I was recently speaking to an accountant where the volume of transactions on Sage was causing the VAT process to take a ridiculous amount of time. With cloud software, you normally now always expect things, click the button, appear the report. However, these the cloud systems are really for more SMEs and for only a certain amount of transactions. And so this one had clearly reached its limit and it was time for it to move on to a new software. The second warning is when your business is getting more complex. So for example, if you are having multiple companies within your structure, if you're having lots of divisions, lots of different profit centers, you are going to need something much more robust than a typical Sage QuickBooks or Xero package. Then you really do need to look at the better ERP systems who have much better functionality for splitting down your P&Ls into different distinct areas. Thirdly is the functionality. So some of the basic software, again, within some of the cloud software, there are different levels. So you might have a simple start versus a premium version of a software. So you may find that you just need to upgrade within a suite of software rather than change your software completely. So for example, at the lowest level of QuickBooks, you don't have multi-currency functionality. However, with a simple upgrade to the higher level of QuickBooks, you do get multi-currency. So sometimes it is your functionality. It could be the multi-currency, for example. It could be different types of VAT that you need, various different things that you may want. So I'd always look, firstly, can you just upgrade within your current software, because then it's quicker, less training time, or do you actually need to change to a completely different software? Finally, when you're really moving along to be a much bigger business, you're probably wanting to have a much more robust ERP system, enterprise resource planning system. So that's where your accounting is just a module of that. You'll have your HR, you'll have your warehouse, all sorts of different modules that you can have on your fixed assets, all within that different software, because then it's all linked, interacts, and you can just get much better reporting and just much better management of your business. And at some stage, your business will, if you are a growing business, at some stage you will get to that sort of size where you just have to step back and go, actually, I really need to change. And then it's not just a matter of your accounting software, you're looking across company-wide, and you really need to look at your overall company objectives and your plan and what you're going to need.